Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can create a Facebook group, and it's pretty simple. And for this you need to click on the messenger icon at the top right corner of your screen, because to create a Facebook group you need to go on Facebook Messenger. Now once you're inside Facebook Messenger, at the top right corner you will see a pencil and a paper icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, over here at the top where it says create a new group, click on create a new group. Once you do that, you can select the people you want to add on the group. So I'm going to select all my friends who I want to add on my Facebook group. After I select all the friends who I want to add on this group, what I need to do is at the top where it says group name, click on it and name this group. So I'm going to name this group Dear Friends. So after I name this group, I can click on create at the top, and all the people who I selected is going to be added in the group, and this group will be created just like this. So that is how you guys can create yourself a group on Facebook. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.